Here are the 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 9 and lesson number 9. I learned that there are no wrong decisions. And the most important thing is to actually do the thing that you're thinking about. Just take action around it and watch how things unfold. Because every single decision that you make will eventually lead you to your destined path. So it doesn't matter if you take the first or the second or the third road, everything is meant to happen. You're meant to experience everything that comes your way. So stop overthinking everything and just keep moving forward. Make the decision. You're not going to fuck anything up. Trust that whatever you decide to do in this present moment is meant to happen for you. It's kind of like that old saying, all roads lead to Rome. Doesn't matter which road you take, it will always get you to Rome. And Rome, in this case, is your manifestation, your desires. So this is your reminder to loosen up, take action. Don't be overwhelmed by indecision, because whatever you choose will be your destined path. There are no coincidences, only synchronicities. Trust in the magic of the process. And most importantly, trust yourself. Let me know what you think about today's lesson in the comments below. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.